Hey guys, it's Stacey and I'm here with another Saturday morning makes. I'm going to go over the products real quick and then get into it. This is a open collaboration that's hosted by Jill Norwood. It's open to anyone. I'm going to leave the information. You use the hashtag satmornmakes. You can share on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, wherever you share your creations. It doesn't have to be a video. It could be any type of hobby, and it can be photos. I use the CC Design Business Bella. I used Greeting Farm OA Valentine. I used Echo Park Coffee and Friends stamp. I used one of the Hillside Stitch Borders from Lawn Fawn. I use MFT, lots of heart stencil. I used the Lawn Fawn Stitch Rectangle die. I used a Stitch Circle die from Elena Crafts. And I used this coffee mug die from Elena Crafts. And this jar die from Elena Crafts. And I don't think there's any numbers for them, for those. But you can use any Stitch rectangle or circle die, jar die, and if you have a coffee mug. So the first one here is, here's a Lawn Fawn, or the Greeting Farm. Did I say Lawn Fawn? Greeting Farm characters. And I colored them up, and I cut the jar from vellum, and then I used this holographic paper. I think that's what it's called. And then I heat embossed Sweeter Than Sugar, and you can't see. The Lawn Fawn Stitch Hillside border is the sugar in the background, but I didn't even realize I covered it up. So, and then there's where the MFT heart stencil die is there in the background. There's the Lawn Fawn Stitch rectangle die, and I just glued this down and then popped these up with foam tape. So I think they came out really cute. And then the other one I made here, there's where the CC Designs stamp was. There's the coffee mug die. The stickles are still wet in her hair, so. And then I gold heat embossed a sentiment from the Echo Park and cut it out with a Stitch Circle die. This is Distress ink, and I ink blended on the background and then splattered it with water and then used Gold Perfect Pearls. Mixed it with some water and flicked it all over. And then I just popped her up on with foam tape. So those are, and then I have glossy accents there, which they're probably not completely dry because it was done a couple of hours ago. But I don't know if you can see, there's Wink of Stella under there, and it's really glittery in person. And then there's Dimension from the glossy accents. So those are my Saturday morning makes. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.